Welcome. If you're tired of hearing that notification sound every time someone leaves your Discord stream or call, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable the viewer leave notification sound on Discord web using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's jump right in. First, open up Discord directly from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the Discord website and log in as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and right next to it, a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Now, in the user settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. It's usually on the left sidebar, so scroll down if you need to. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Here's where you can really take control. Under the Sounds section, you'll see a list of all the different notification sounds Discord uses. Scroll through until you find Viewer Leave. This is the sound that plays whenever someone leaves your stream or call. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch next to Viewer Leave, so it's disabled. Once you do this, Discord will stop playing that sound whenever someone exits your stream or call. No more sudden interruptions or distracting pings. Just a smoother, quieter experience. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've customized your Discord notifications to suit your preference. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and updates. See you in the next video.